We're at Club Car Grill, Irvington, New York. It's 11 o'clock on a Sunday morning, and it's brunch time. Brunch is served here between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Right now I'm having the Biscuits and Gravy, homemade biscuits, Southern style sausage gravy, and poached eggs. The egg is nice and gooey. It broke perfectly over the biscuit, poached to perfection. Cheers. Wow, that's amazing. Wow, that tastes like a home-cooked meal. This is incredible. This is like grandmother's cooking. The gravy is incredible. Perfect consistency. Perfectly seasoned. Wow. Incredible. We're also having assorted mini muffins. The assorted mini muffins are served with honey butter and jam. One of these look blueberry. I'm gonna have the blueberry. Oh, that's nice butter. Wow. Perfect blueberry muffin. And the honey butter is a very nice addition. Very good. Everything's delicious so far. It's time to wash it down with my first beverage. I'm having the spicy watermelon margarita. It has Terramana small batch Blanco tequila, jalapeno simple syrup, fresh lime, and watermelon. It's garnished with a nice tahini rim, fresh jalapenos, and a lime slice. I'm excited because I love watermelon margarita. Cheers. Wow, very refreshing, delicious, slightly spicy, not overpowering. I like it. And the tahini rim, perfect. The tahini rim goes perfectly with it. This is delicious and refreshing. Very well made, very well made. Now the omelet. The omelet has wild mushrooms, pea tendrils, goat cheese, and home fries. We're starting off with the omelet. Oh, that cheese gives a nice creaminess to it. The omelet is perfect. The egg is literally cooked to perfection. And I love mushrooms. This is a perfect omelet. Wow, I never thought of making an omelet with these cheeses. Delicious. Wow. I'm a believer. This is good cheese for an omelet. I would have never guessed. Wow. That cheese changed the whole omelet game. That's incredible. It adds this creamy, delicious gooiness to an omelet. Undescribable. Incredible. That might be the best omelet I ever had. Now the home fries. Home fries look like they have onions and peppers in them. Home fries. Wow. Very rich in flavor. Delicious. You could tell they've been cooked for a long time. Very tender and juicy. Full of flavor, still full of moisture, not overcooked, not dry. Delicious. Wow. Everything so far has been incredible here. Now we're having the fried chicken sandwich. The fried chicken sandwich comes with sweet and spicy sauce, house pickles, lettuce, brioche bun, and french fries. This sandwich looks incredible. It's just dripping with sauce. It's perfectly fried. I love pickles, house pickles. Can't beat anything homemade. Cheers. Wow. Wow. This has a real crunch on that chicken. Wow. Wow. The chicken is perfect. Juicy on the inside, very crunchy on the outside. Perfect thickness, not too thick. Wow. The sauce is nice and sweet, slightly spicy, not too spicy, it's perfect. The french fry, perfect. Wow. Perfectly crispy, very light and fluffy. Perfectly fried, fresh, real cut potatoes. Perfect fries. Ma, I promise this is the last drink. This is the Grapefruit Basil Smash. The Grapefruit Basil Smash is Kettle One Botanical Grapefruit Rose, Prosecco, fresh lime, basil simple syrup, and fresh grapefruit juice. Cheers to the grand finale of the Club Car Grill. I will be finishing off with this delicious beverage. Wow. This tastes like freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. Delicious. This might be the best grapefruit juice drink I ever had. Wow. Incredible. Incredible. If you like grapefruit, you're going to love this beverage. Wow. So crisp, so refreshing, so much grapefruit. The citrus, the sweetness, the sourness, the bitterness. Can't even taste the liquor. This is delicious. Hands down the best grapefruit juice drink I ever had. Wow. It's like they're fresh squeezing this thing at the bar. I'm sad that my experience here has to come to an end. This has been incredible. All the food down to the muffins were top notch. The drinks are top tier. Thanks to the chef, thanks to the staff, thanks to the bartender. Thank you for your time, thank you for your service here. This is delicious. Do yourself a favor, if you're looking for a decent brunch out here in Irvington, Westchester County, definitely give them a try. Club Car Grill in Irvington. I promise you, if you're looking for a nice brunch, good food, good drink, you won't be disappointed. There's a parking lot outside, there's street parking, and across the street there's parking. Thank you everybody for watching. Peace and love.